Okay, this question was asked as a comment on one of my videos, so I am going to do my best to explain it. So first I am going to create a new form. So easiest way you can do that, you can just type form.new, and there you go, new Google form. So the question was specifically about my missing work form. So I'm going to, I like my list to be sorted by last name first. Oops, put that in the wrong spot for the question. And it's automatically going to swap to required. And then I'm going to copy this and I write down preferred first name. That's required. And then I'm going to add a question and put class period. And you can add whatever your class periods are. This just helps if I want to sort the document any number of ways. This gives me a lot of options, okay? And I usually like to just have this be a drop-down menu, but you don't have to, okay? And then the next thing that I'm going to do, what are you submitting? Late work. Revised work. We'll change the wording. Missing work or revised work. I let my students resubmit if they want to improve their grade. All right. So let's look at what else is on my missing work form. So hold on one second. Okay, so I pulled this over here. Here is my whole form setup. So, and we were down to about this part. I make them put the name of the assignment, okay? And then I make them put what type of assignment. Again, this just allows me for easy sorting, like how many times are students turning in this assignment late? It allows just for quick sorting in the form, okay? I do make them put a reason. Why is this assignment late? Here I put this video, which is how to get the URL link. Now, let's go back here and let's add a new question just so you can see where I get it from. So the URL link to the Schoology assignment. All right, now it's going to do short answer, and here's what I want to do. Right here, click these three dots and click response validation. All right, now I have some options, okay? And okay, and what I want to choose is text, but from the contains, I want to change it to URL. And then you can put error text if you want. You need to enter the URL. All right, so this will, they have to enter URL or they won't be able to complete this question. And I do have this question as required. And I give them this video, which has directions to how to get that URL, okay? And then I always have any additional comments because students, if they have a question, concern, or anything like that, they often bring it up here in the late form. So there you have it. This is my missing work form, and that is how to get response validation. So another option for this one, for example, for class period, if you didn't want to give it as choices, you could make it be short answer. And in here, you could choose response validation and a number, okay? And I could have it be between, say my class periods are only numbering from 1 to 8, okay? So I don't want someone putting 99 or 563, right? So this allows students to only answer something between those numbers, okay? So there you have it. I hope that helps with the response validation part, okay?